Hi everyone, this is a video that's documenting our spring which exists on the land just west of our house. We're in Fernleigh on the northern New South Wales coast, about 5 k's inland, 130 metres in elevation, and that means we get quite a lot of rain during the year, about 200 millimetres. So this is our property, and it slopes fairly steeply down to this collection point where this is part of the video is, and this is sort of where the spring starts to form. This ground is formerly muddy. And this is where we started to sort of see the first existence of the spring. You can see these rocks here that have been formed by other farmers clearing the land, but also by just the natural valley here. This is where the spring really starts to eventuate. You can hear the water under this lantana here, but there is no evidence of water at the surface. It's only just towards the left part of the screen here where the water starts to flow from the ground. In the month that was leading up to when we took this video, we'd had well over 500 millimetres, which made the whole area very soggy and moist, and I'd never seen water flowing at this point of the ground. The water starts flowing just out of a rock. It's dry, and then all of a sudden it's wet, just like someone had broken a pipe, and the water was just sort of gushing from out the bottom of those rocks. And you can see a bit further down here how green it is, and this flows into an area where we first discovered this spring last year in the middle of quite a prolonged drought. It was still wet after not having nearly 3 months of rainfall. We're now moving down further into the gully. You can see here the pools are starting to collect. We've got boulders under the canopy of both now established rainforest trees, but also the weeds that have built up over the last many years. And the water is flowing freely, and the pools are clean, and we've now got other areas of water starting to join this sort of main gully that continues all the way down into the main feeder creek, which is Skinners Creek.
There's little bite marks out of it.
As I said, we've got rainforest trees here, some figs, mostly filled with lantana, and still lots of old broken trees here. But we're now into a significant gully that's now sort of 10 metres or so deep, where the water is flowing.
Off one of the trees?
This spring flows for 3 kilometres and joins up with Skinners Creek, which then joins up with the Wilsons River and then feeds into the mighty Richmond River. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.